What if I told you the top assets to hold in the 2025 recession pay zero interest and still protect your wealth? Hi there, I'm a finance researcher blending modern market research with time-tested wisdom. For example, Morgan Stanley reports global Islamic finance has $4.5 trillion in assets, 2022. Proof interest-free ideas are huge. I use real data and even classical principles to guide you. In this video, you'll learn 4 specific interest-free assets to hold during a 2025 downturn. Each comes with real examples and a quick playbook. The takeaway: a practical, riba-free game plan to protect your money in a crash. Asset number 1, gold and precious metals. Gold has been a store of value for millennia. Unlike cash, gold can't be printed and often rises with inflation. In fact, gold's price was positive in about 75% of past recessions, proving it's a true safe haven. Example: Sarah in Texas bought $1,000 of gold coins in 2022. When markets dove and inflation soared, her gold's value held steady, no interest, earned, but no value lost either. Gold is explicitly allowed. It's like real money, not a loan, so it's perfectly halal and interest-free. Playbook: convert part of your savings into minted gold or silver coins or bullion bars. Only use reputable dealers and store it safely. You can also use Shariah-screened gold ETFs that hold real bullion. Coming up, an asset that even famous traders turn to in downturns. You won't believe what asset number 2 is. Asset number 2, real estate, property. Real estate is anchored by a basic human need: shelter. People need homes in good times and bad. Renting out property provides steady cash flow and often keeps up with inflation. Example: in London, James used $200,000 to buy a 2-family home. He lives in one unit and rents the other. The tenant's rent covers his mortgage, and as years pass, his property value grows. Commercial example: a UK real estate fund leased a warehouse to a grocery retailer, Tesco, and earned about a 6% annual return. Playbook: if you can, buy property outright or via a halal mortgage, diminishing equity partnership, so there's no riba. You can also invest through Shariah-friendly REITs or crowdfunding platforms, e.g. Cur8 Capital, that pull small investors into rental properties. These let you start with modest funds and still own a piece of income-producing real estate. Which of these 2 would you try first? Type gold or rental below. That's part 1. In part 2, we cover defensive stocks and Islamic sukuk, the assets that complete a recession-proof, interest-free portfolio. Click the next video now, or tap the link in the end screen. Subscribe if you want the full playbook.